Tripura, with its beautiful landscape of green fields and rolling hills, is also known as the land of 14 deities. The region was once part of the larger Kingdom of Twipra. Established at the confluence of the Brahmaputra, Surma and Meghna, the erstwhile Kingdom of Twipra or Tripura was also called Kholongma. At its peak, the kingdom extended across the Sylhet, Dhaka and Chittagong divisions of present-day Bangladesh over Mizoram and Tripura to the Kachar Valley of Assam. The Khasi Hills, Manipur Hills and Arakan Hills, as well as the mighty Brahmaputra River, formed its border with the Bay of Bengal lying to the south of the kingdom. The Tripuri community are considered by scholars as the first community to live here. They practiced jhum cultivation, moving every few years to clear a new part of the forest. It is said that in the course of time, many families moved out of the region to find better jhum lands further east and north. One such large group returned via the Arakan Hills to Twipra in the 15th century. They came to be known as the Riyang community. A second group, who are today identified as the Uchai community, arrived shortly afterwards. The Nuatia community returned in the 16th century via Burma. Defending these groups from outsider aggression was the Jamatia community. These communities represent a rich tapestry of history and heritage. Discover the charm of Tripura and its beautiful people here at the Tripura State Tribal Museum. We hope you take with you cherished memories of our land as a place of tranquility and harmony. Welcome to Tripura.